Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to conduct multiple regression analysis using Excel. Did you know that you can do multiple regression analysis using Excel? If you didn't, come, I show you how to do it. So the first step that you're supposed to start with is to ensure that the data analysis icon is located in your Excel, and if it is not there, you're supposed to add, and you go to File, and then you click More Options, Add-ins, and then you are going to click Analysis ToolPak to add. So I don't want to click it because already my data analysis icon is located in Excel. And where do you find it? In your toolbar, you're going to go to Data, and then you will locate it here. So let's click it so that we perform the analysis. So you're supposed to click Regression, click OK, and then you're going to have this window, which is regression analysis window. The first part is the input Y range, where you're going to put your dependent variable, and then you have your input X range, where you're going to have your independent variables. So I'm going to select my dependent variable, which is yield. So you're going to put your cursor here, and then you click Shift Control, and then it is going to be selected. And then you're going to have your independent variable, and we are going to have education, age and farm size, and training hours and fertilizer. So I'm going to select the heading columns, and then I click Shift Control. It is going to be selected, and then you're supposed to ensure that the labels confident label is selected, and then I click this constant is 0. It is going to give you an error, and then the output, I'm going to have it in a new workbook, and then I have the residuals being clicked, standardized residuals, residual plots, and line fit plots. And then I have also the normality probability plots, and then you click OK. So let's wait for the output. Yeah, so we have our output, and we have a lot of graphs. So we have our output here, so we can adjust. So we have regression statistics table here, where we have the R square 0.96. Adjusted R square is almost the same as the R square. And then we have an over table, where we have our regression and residuals. And then we have significance here. And then now we have the coefficient table, where you have your variables, your independent variables, coefficients, standard error, p-values, and then you have the others. So when you look at the p-value, we don't have any statistic significant variables when we look at that. And then for these plots, they are overlapping, so for you to see them, you're supposed to move them away from each other. So you move them, and then you start interpreting one by one. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more educational videos and more ideas.